Top 25 MEP Supervisor Interview Questions and Answers. In this video, we will explore the top 25 interview questions and answers specifically tailored for MEP Supervisor positions. These questions are designed to help candidates prepare effectively and showcase their skills in mechanical, electrical, and plumbing management. From technical expertise to leadership qualities, each question addresses key competencies required for success in this role. By reviewing these insights, candidates can build confidence and enhance their performance during the interview process. 1. Can you explain your experience managing and supervising MEP installations on construction sites? In my role as a project manager, I have overseen multiple MEP installations across various construction projects. My experience includes coordinating with different teams, ensuring compliance with safety regulations, and maintaining high standards of quality. I prioritize communication, holding regular meetings with mechanical, electrical, and plumbing teams to address issues proactively. My hands-on approach allows me to troubleshoot on-site challenges promptly, ensuring that projects are delivered on time and within budget while meeting all specifications and quality benchmarks. 2. How do you coordinate between mechanical, electrical, and plumbing teams to ensure smooth project execution? Coordinating between mechanical, electrical, and plumbing teams requires effective communication and a structured approach. I initiate regular coordination meetings to align objectives and share progress updates. Utilizing Building Information Modeling, BIM, helps visualize installations, enabling teams to identify potential conflicts early. I emphasize a collaborative culture, encouraging team members to voice concerns and propose solutions. Establishing clear roles and responsibilities ensures accountability. Regular site inspections facilitate real-time adjustments, ensuring that all teams work harmoniously towards project milestones and deadlines. 3. Describe your approach to reviewing and interpreting MEP drawings and specifications. My approach involves a thorough analysis of MEP drawings and specifications to ensure accuracy and clarity. I start by cross-referencing the drawings with project requirements and relevant codes. Engaging with the design team is crucial for clarifying any ambiguities. I utilize software tools for 3D modeling to visualize systems in relation to architectural and structural elements. Regular site walkthroughs help in identifying potential issues early. Collaborative discussions with all stakeholders ensure everyone is aligned, which is essential for effective implementation and minimizing errors during installation. 4. How do you handle on-site challenges such as delay, resource shortages, or design conflicts? In addressing on-site challenges, I prioritize communication among all stakeholders. For delays, I analyze the root cause and develop a revised schedule. Resource shortages are tackled by identifying alternative suppliers or reallocating resources from less critical tasks. When facing design conflicts, I facilitate discussions between relevant teams to find practical solutions while ensuring compliance with project specifications. Documenting these challenges and resolutions is critical for future reference and helps maintain transparency throughout the project's lifecycle. 5. What steps do you take to ensure safety compliance during MEP installations? Ensuring safety compliance during MEP installations involves several key steps. First, I conduct thorough risk assessments before starting any work, identifying potential hazards associated with mechanical, electrical, and plumbing systems. I ensure that all team members receive proper training on safety protocols and the use of personal protective equipment, PPE. Regular safety meetings are held to reinforce these practices and address any concerns. Additionally, I implement a system for reporting unsafe conditions and encourage open communication among team members. Compliance with local regulations and standards is strictly monitored throughout the project. 6. Which software tools do you use for MEP planning, coordination, and project management? I utilize several software tools for efficient MEP planning, coordination, and project management. Autodesk Revit is my primary choice for 3D modeling and visualization, allowing for better clash detection. Navisworks enhances collaboration by enabling multi-discipline coordination. For project management, I rely on Microsoft Project or Primavera P6 to schedule tasks and monitor progress. Additionally, I use BIM 360 for document management and real-time collaboration among teams. These tools streamline workflows, improve accuracy, and facilitate timely communication across all project stakeholders. 7. How do you ensure quality control and adherence to project standards in MEP work? To ensure quality control and adherence to project standards in MEP work, I implement a systematic approach. This involves establishing clear quality benchmarks at the project's outset, conducting regular inspections, and utilizing checklists tailored for MEP installations. I engage with team members through training sessions to familiarize them with standards and protocols. Frequent communication with subcontractors is essential, ensuring they understand expectations. I also review work against specifications frequently and address any discrepancies immediately to maintain project integrity and performance. 8. Describe your experience with testing and commissioning of MEP systems. Testing and commissioning of MEP systems is a critical phase in the project lifecycle. I have managed numerous projects where I ensured all systems were thoroughly tested for functionality, efficiency, and compliance with specifications. This involved developing detailed test plans, coordinating with various teams, and conducting pre-commissioning checks to verify system readiness. I also facilitated functional testing, performance monitoring, and troubleshooting issues that arose during this phase. Effective documentation of results and ensuring compliance with local codes was essential to achieving successful project handover. 9. How do you manage subcontractors and ensure their work meets project requirements? Effective management of subcontractors involves clear communication of project expectations and thorough oversight. I start by establishing a solid relationship with subcontractors, ensuring they understand the project requirements and quality standards. Regular site meetings and progress reviews help maintain alignment and address any issues promptly. Implementing a robust reporting system allows tracking of their work against project milestones. Additionally, I conduct frequent inspections and provide constructive feedback, ensuring that any deviations from the specifications are corrected swiftly. This proactive approach fosters accountability and enhances project outcomes. 10. Explain how you handle changes or variations in MEP design or scope. When changes or variations arise in MEP design or scope, I first assess the impact on the project timeline and budget. Communication with all stakeholders is crucial. I ensure that everyone, including the design team, clients, and subcontractors, is informed and aligned. I analyze the technical implications and explore alternative solutions to minimize disruption. Once a plan is agreed upon, I document the changes thoroughly and update project schedules. Regular follow-ups help maintain progress and ensure that the quality of work remains high despite adjustments. 11. What strategies do you use to keep MEP work on schedule and avoid delays? To keep MEP work on schedule, effective planning is crucial. I utilize detailed project timelines that include milestones and deadlines for each phase. Regular coordination meetings with all trades help identify potential conflicts early. Implementing a proactive approach to resource management ensures that materials and labor are available when needed. Additionally, I use project management software to track progress and make adjustments as required. Encouraging open communication among team members fosters a collaborative environment, allowing for quick problem solving when issues arise. Prioritizing tasks ensures critical activities are addressed promptly, minimizing the risk of delays. 12. How do you ensure proper coordination with other trades like civil and architectural teams? To ensure proper coordination with other trades, I prioritize early engagement and regular communication. I organize joint meetings with civil and architectural teams to discuss project timelines, design requirements, and potential clashes. Utilizing building information modeling, BIM, helps visualize integration points, allowing for proactive conflict resolution. Establishing clear points of contact among trades is essential for swift decision-making. I also advocate for site walkthroughs to identify discrepancies and ensure alignment on installation sequences, ultimately facilitating a smoother workflow across all disciplines. 13. Describe a project where your supervision significantly improved outcomes. In a recent commercial building project, I supervised the MEP installations and implemented a rigorous quality control process. By conducting regular site inspections and fostering open communication among the mechanical, electrical, and plumbing teams, we identified issues early on, which helped avoid costly rework. My proactive approach to coordinating with subcontractors ensured they understood project requirements clearly, leading to timely completion. As a result, the project not only finished ahead of schedule but also received commendations for its energy efficiency and compliance with safety standards. 14. What methods do you use to identify and resolve clashes or conflicts in MEP installations? To identify and resolve clashes in MEP installations, I employ a combination of advanced software tools such as BIM, building information modeling, for 3D visualization, which allows for early detection of conflicts between systems. Regular coordination meetings with all stakeholders are essential to discuss potential issues and solutions. I also conduct site walkthroughs to assess physical spaces and identify discrepancies. When conflicts arise, I prioritize collaboration among teams to brainstorm solutions, ensuring timely adjustments to design or installation methods to maintain project progress. 15. How do you stay updated on the latest codes, standards, and technologies in MEP engineering? Staying current in MEP engineering involves a multifaceted approach. I regularly attend industry conferences, webinars, and workshops to gain insights into emerging trends and regulatory changes. Subscribing to relevant journals and publications helps me keep abreast of new technologies and best practices. Networking with peers and participating in professional organizations also provides valuable resources. Additionally, I leverage online platforms and courses to enhance my knowledge about innovative materials and software tools that can improve project efficiency and compliance. 16. Describe how you manage procurement and timely delivery of MEP materials and equipment. Effective procurement management begins with detailed planning and scheduling. I collaborate closely with project managers and engineers to identify material requirements early in the project. Utilizing software tools, I track orders and delivery timelines, ensuring that suppliers are aware of our critical deadlines. Regular communication with vendors helps address potential delays proactively. I also maintain a buffer stock of essential items to mitigate risks. By coordinating with logistics teams, I ensure that materials are delivered on site when required, facilitating uninterrupted work progress. 17. How do you foster a culture of safety awareness among your team and subcontractors? Creating a culture of safety starts with clear communication and training. I prioritize regular safety meetings where team members can share experiences and discuss potential hazards. This open dialogue encourages everyone to take ownership of safety practices. Additionally, I ensure that all workers are trained in relevant safety protocols and have access to necessary personal protective equipment. Recognizing and rewarding safe behavior can motivate the team to adhere to safety guidelines. Establishing a safety-first mindset among subcontractors is equally important, so I include them in training sessions and discussions to align our safety objectives. 18. What experience do you have with sustainable and energy-efficient MEP solutions? Sustainable and energy-efficient MEP solutions are crucial in today's construction environment. I have implemented various strategies such as utilizing high-efficiency HVAC systems, LED lighting, and water-saving plumbing fixtures. My experience includes conducting energy audits and collaborating with design teams to ensure systems meet LEED certification standards. I also prioritize renewable energy sources, like solar panels, during project planning. By focusing on innovative technologies and sustainable materials, I strive to minimize the environmental impact while enhancing energy performance in MEP installations. 19. How do you conduct site inspections and monitor ongoing MEP activities? To conduct effective site inspections, I begin by reviewing the project plans and specifications to understand the scope of work. During inspections, I evaluate MEP installations for compliance with design standards and safety regulations. I utilize checklists to ensure that all aspects are covered. Continuous monitoring of ongoing activities involves regular communication with team members and subcontractors to address any issues promptly. I emphasize the importance of documentation, recording findings and observations to track progress and resolve any discrepancies quickly. This proactive approach ensures that all MEP activities align with project goals and timelines. 20. How do you motivate and lead your team in a high-pressure construction environment? In a high-pressure construction environment, I focus on clear communication and fostering a supportive atmosphere. I set realistic goals and break down tasks into manageable parts, ensuring everyone understands their roles. Regular check-ins help me gauge team morale and address concerns promptly. Recognizing individual and team achievements boosts motivation, while providing opportunities for skill development helps them feel valued. Encouraging collaboration and feedback creates a sense of ownership, driving the team to perform at their best even under stress. 21. Can you explain the coordination process during the final handover and commissioning phase? During the final handover and commissioning phase, effective coordination involves meticulous planning and communication among all stakeholders. Regular meetings are held to review progress and address any outstanding issues. A detailed checklist is created to ensure compliance with specifications and standards. The team conducts thorough inspections and testing of all systems, documenting results meticulously. Feedback from each discipline is integrated to resolve discrepancies. Ensuring a seamless transition to operations requires clear roles and responsibilities, as well as proactive management of timelines and deliverables. 22. How do you document and report progress, incidents, and quality issues on site? To effectively document and report progress, incidents, and quality issues on site, I utilize a structured approach. Daily logs are maintained, capturing essential details of activities, milestones achieved, and any deviations from the plan. Photographic evidence supplements written reports, providing visual context for incidents and quality concerns. Weekly meetings with the team ensure that all issues are discussed and action items are assigned. I also rely on project management software to track progress and facilitate real-time updates, ensuring transparent communication with stakeholders throughout the project lifecycle. 23. What technical challenges have you faced in MEP projects, and how did you overcome them? In my experience, one significant challenge was coordinating complex routing for ductwork and piping in confined spaces. To address this, I implemented 3D modeling software to visualize the installations. This technology allowed us to identify potential clashes early in the design phase. Regular coordination meetings with all trades ensured everyone was aligned and any conflicts were addressed promptly. Additionally, I established a clear communication channel among team members to facilitate quick decision-making, which helped maintain project timelines and reduce delays effectively. 24. How do you prioritize tasks and manage multiple MEP workstreams simultaneously? Effective prioritization involves assessing project deadlines, resource availability, and critical dependencies. I begin by breaking down tasks into manageable segments and categorizing them based on urgency and importance. Utilizing project management software helps track progress and allocate resources efficiently. Regular communication with team members ensures alignment and quick identification of potential issues. I also implement daily stand-up meetings to discuss priorities and status updates, allowing the team to adapt swiftly to changing circumstances while maintaining focus on key deliverables. 25. Describe how you handle emergencies or unexpected problems during MEP installation. In emergencies, I first assess the situation to determine the severity and potential impact on the project. I quickly gather the relevant team members to discuss possible solutions and prioritize safety. Clear communication is essential. I ensure that all team members are informed of the issue and the steps being taken. We may need to adjust our plan or workflow temporarily. I also document the incident thoroughly for future reference and to prevent similar issues. Post-incident, I conduct a review to identify lessons learned and improve our processes for better preparedness. To wrap up, being well prepared for an MEP supervisor interview can significantly enhance your chances of success. By understanding the key questions and crafting thoughtful answers, you can demonstrate your expertise and readiness for the role. Remember to stay confident and articulate your experiences clearly. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like and consider subscribing for more insightful content. Your support helps us bring you valuable resources for your career journey. Thank you for watching.